If you have a brand on Instagram, then you know that a lot of business goes down in the DMs. But you probably also know that answering DMs can take a lot of time, right? What if I told you, what if I told you that you could save lots of time, stop rewriting the same message over and over again, and actually provide accurate information to your followers no matter who is running your inbox? If this sounds like a dream to you, you're in the right place, because what I'm about to share with you is super easy and fast to set up, so you don't have to worry about learning yet another feature on Instagram. Instagram quick replies are a piece of cake. If you've ever struggled with managing your inbox or direct messages, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to walk you through how to create Instagram quick replies, which I promise are going to save you a ton of time. And stay tuned until the end, where I'm going to share with you a call to action that we used in one of my captions that blew up our inbox, so much so that we had to create an Instagram quick reply to manage all the requests. I'm Elise Dharma, and I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creatives like yourself use Instagram to actually bring sales back to your business. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through Instagram DM quick replies so that yes, you could save a ton of time and also make sure your customer service is on point. So first things first, to get the quick replies feature, you need to have a professional account. This means either a business account or a creator account. Next, let's cover how to set up quick replies. And for that, you first need to identify what your most commonly asked questions are. So if you're a service-based business, what are all the services you offer? Do you have a guarantee? Do you have a refund policy? What's the pricing of your offers? Do you offer payment plans? What are your shipping options? If you're a local business, what are your business hours? What's your address? What's your phone number? And lastly, is there a link that people typically ask for? So by now, you should have a list of questions that you typically get and the answers that you want to pre-write to share with people. You have your list? Okay, because now I'm going to go into the Instagram app and show you how to set up these quick replies. There are two ways to add a quick reply. The first is to pull open your profile, go to the hamburger menu that you see in the upper right, and then tap Settings. Then tap Business, and you're going to see quick replies right there. So you can see that I have two quick replies that I've already created. What you're going to do next is hit the plus button to add your quick reply. So I actually have used quick replies as notes on my phone, which isn't the greatest because this is a built-in feature in Instagram. So for example, here's a note of something I wrote once, and I'll just paste this to people. It's, hey there, here's the link for Caption Vault. So what I'm going to do is just copy this, pop back over into Instagram. I'm going to paste this message there because I know this is something that I share with people anyway. And the shortcut that I'll use is CV. What this means is the next time I type CV in a message, this whole message that I just pasted is going to appear. So I'm going to hit save. Now that that's saved, we can go back, and that is one of my quick replies available. The second way to add a quick reply is from inside of a message thread that you have with someone. So for demonstration purposes, Effie, my videographer, just messaged me on Instagram and said, hey, can you tell me what's included inside of Story Vault? This is a question that I get a lot. So let me go ahead and answer this question now to Effie. So let's say I'm happy with that answer and it's one that I find myself typing out frequently. So I'm going to go ahead and send that to Effie. But now here is the way that you can actually turn this answer, which you've just typed out, into a quick reply. All you need to do is tap on that message, hold it down, and you're going to see this more option. Then you're going to see the option to hit save. Go ahead and hit save. And Instagram is allowing me to actually save this as a quick reply directly from our message thread. So my shortcut in this case is going to be SV, right? So that means next time I need to populate this message quickly, I'm just going to type in SV. And I've also learned that you can't have white spaces for your shortcut, so you have to think creatively. And then if I scroll down, I can see that the message I just sent to Effie is populated here. So next I go ahead and hit save. And if I go back to my settings under business and then under quick replies, you can see that the SV shortcut is right there. That is the message that I just sent to Effie. While we're here, you should also note that you can go back to your quick replies under your settings at any time and give them an edit. So none of them are permanent. Now that your quick replies are set up, how do you use them? Well, Effie and I have another demo for you. So she has just DM'd me again saying, hey, where can I buy Caption Vault? So I have a quick reply for this, and I have two options on how to send that quick reply to her. So right at the bottom right, I can hit the plus button, and then I'm going to hit the chat icon bubble with the 3 dots in it. And that's actually going to give me my list of quick replies. So I can go ahead and hit the one that says CV, and there's the message that I've already pre-written. Now, the other way of quickly adding in that message is to simply type in my shortcut. Remember that? So for this one, it's going to be CV. And you can see right next to the send button, there is a blue icon, that same chat bubble icon with the 3 dots. If I go ahead and tap that, voila, there's my message that has populated. So I'm going to go ahead and send that. So now, instead of retyping this message out and finding the link, just with 1 or 2 taps, I was able to send that message off to Effie. All right, now that you're ready to use quick replies, I want to share with you the call to action that I used in one of my captions to literally blow up my DMs. So I'm on my feed right now, and if you scroll down and go to the post here that says how to get 10,000 followers overnight, it's not the video that did it, it's the caption. So scroll down and read my caption. You can see that this caption has over 330 comments, which is really huge for my account. But right at the end, you can tell that I have created a CTA that says, want to know how? DM me 3 Apple emojis like this. I did a little demo. And I'll send you my latest Instagram masterclass. So I'm actually just teasing people a little bit through my video content on what's possible for them. And I created a really easy way for them to DM me for a link, which is where I generate leads. So if you like this idea, I encourage you to go ahead and try it out in your next caption. Give people a fun emoji combination to use. And if your post is successful, if your caption is successful, you're going to be seeing a lot of those emojis showing up in your inbox, and you're going to want to create a quick reply to make it easy to manage all the DMs. Want even more ideas on what you can include in your stories, in your captions, so that your DMs always blow up? I invite you to check out Story Vault. Story Vault is my answer to your question of, what do I post today in my Instagram stories? I've created a mini program called Story Vault that has 800 Instagram story ideas all done for you and divided by B2B and B2C. Plus, all the ideas are categorized by what your business needs the most right now, whether that's visibility, engagement, lead generation, or sales. So head to storyvault.co, or I'll leave the link right below this video so that you can check it out today. To ease and revenue, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for joining me for today's training on Instagram quick replies. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell so that you don't miss any future trainings just like this one.